What's up, you guys? This is Ike from Your Cell Phone Parts and Repair, and I'm going to be sharing a video with you all on how to remove your back cover plate on your Huawei Honor Magic 5 LTE 5G. You want to be careful of not fully prying out the center or area around the camera ring here, because there's a hidden screw beneath the center cover that you will see coming up. How I removed it. Thanks for watching. You guys take good care of yourself. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day.